So I saw this horn online, on Facebook, all over Facebook, and decided to give it a try. Wanted to upgrade my horn on my Spyder, and here it is. Now, there's no directions on how to install it on a Spyder. They posted pictures of, I think it was a black Can-Am Spyder F3 that had one installed on it, and they showed the pictures of it. But you know, posting the picture and not actually showing how you connected it, like my husband is trying to do right here, you know, taking you step by step. Nobody did that, and if they did, they didn't post it, or they didn't put it on their site where you can find it. So yeah, so he's trying to figure out where to post it, attach it. So this is probably going to turn out to be a cool how-to video, I guess, depending on how this looks once it's installed. He's doing a lot of finagling, and you know, the one that they showed on the picture of the one they showed installed on their bike looked pretty smooth, pretty in position, in place. It looked like it was a part of the bike, so I don't know. We'll have to see. But here it is, getting ready to install the MotoHorn train horn on a Can-Am Spyder F3T.